you go, guys. So let's try. There you go. On top I put some bananas, and yes, so fluffy, guys. You see, very fluffy, so soft. Wow. Sarap. Yummy. Wow. Your mouth makes your watery to taste, guys. You cannot stop. So yummy. Wow, so big slice. Wow. Drop. Here, guys. So fluffy, so moist inside. So good. Hello, guys. This is Angie, and yeah, I'm here again to making something and make a twist. This is a brownies. I'm using this one is a mix ready made already. This is a Betty cracker. It's the flavor of chocolate, guys. So I make a twist for this brownies, guys, with a bananas, because all my bananas here at home is already very ripe. So I need to make something with this brownies, guys. So we have a twist with banana. So yeah, so let's get it started, and I show you here also other ingredients. Just few things I needed here, guys. Okay, let's get it started. Then hope you like this video, guys, and please give thumbs up and comments down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, guys. So you can see here inside the video the way I doing, guys, the steps. This brownies mixture is use 375 grams, one box. So pour inside the container or basin or baking dish. Then we pour half cup of butter, unsalted butter. Then we need to add 1 cup water. Then we need to mix properly so that everything will combine well. Next, guys, we have 3 eggs here to add with the mixture. So we need to beat. I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder so that can be very fluffy. So can add now the beaten eggs. So let it put it set aside first. Then we need to take the another thing or ingredient. So I have here the bananas, guys, so we need to smash them. Then I slice some. It's not mess. Later on I put on top the thing, so make it looks nicer. Then we take back the thing, the mixture, brownies. Then add this one, bananas mash. I added 2 bananas here, guys. And the other one piece I cut into slices, then I add soon. Just put on top that thing. So the equivalent bananas I use here is 3 bananas. There you go, guys. I think it's already to put inside the baking pan. Yeah, there you go. And the temperature, the oven is need to set up 350 Fahrenheit if Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius. So there you go, guys. So this is my baking dish, guys. This is the size. This one is a 9 by 9 by 2 inches. And there you go. I'm gonna put baking paper. I rather use the the baking dish of mine is non-sticky, but I rather like the paper, baking sheet paper, guys. So okay, I think there you go, guys. So we now pour in the mixture inside the baking pan. There you go, guys. If you want something when you eat something bite to make fun for you to eat this one, you can add chocolate chips or walnuts or any nuts that desire for you to make this one, guys. Then if you want more dark chocolate, you can add some more chocolate. Wow, there you guys. The smell so good. Wow, amazing. So there you guys. Then ready for to bake, but I need to put the other some slices. I left bananas, guys. So go inside the oven. There you go. Later on I put some the bananas, guys. There you go. Guys, past weeks I launched my channel for membership, guys, and yeah, just check the link of this channel below. I write down there, guys. And yes, so thank you very much for your support for this channel, guys. And always support one another, and yeah, God bless us all every day. And hope you like this video, and just check also the description box below for the full recipe I write down later on. Then Yeah, guys. So that's it. And yes, uh, okay, I talk later again, guys. I check my brownies now. Wow, you put on the rack, guys, so that easy to cool down. Okay, time's up the rest, guys. So we need to cut. We gonna try, guys. Wow, so smooth. Wow, there. Hmm. So we wanna try. Wow, there you go, guys. Nice. Oh, there you go, guys. So let's try. There you go. On top, I put some bananas, and yes, so fluffy, guys. You see, very fluffy, so soft. Wow. Sarap. Yummy. Wow. Your mouth makes your watery to taste, guys. You cannot stop. So yummy. Wow. So big slice. Mmm. Wow. Drop. Here, guys. So fluffy, so moist inside. So good. Okay, guys. Just check the put the recipe under the description box below, guys. I write down. Feel free to check. And however you make this one, please comment down below and let's see what is your reaction about it, guys. Okay, guys. Past weeks, guys, launched already my membership for this channel, guys. Become a member of this channel. Just click the link of this channel below, guys. Okay. You wanna support me, guys, by sending super stickers and super chat. Help me earn money to make more content or like this content. Message me in the comment section if ever you want to collaborate channel or video with me. Yes, I'm okay. We can work together. And when I have a live stream video, you can write shout out message for your loved ones or friends, and I will read them for you guys during in my live stream video. And yeah, thank you very much. Really comes from my heart to say thank you to all of you guys out there, and always kind to one another, and always be strong to face all the challenges come in our lives every day, guys. And yeah, hope you like my video today, guys. The food blog again to share with you guys. Okay, so until then, so this is Angie, and yeah, thank you very much, guys. Okay, see you soon again, guys. Bye.